Hello, my students. Min here. Today I'm going to be talking about gender dysphoria. Yeah, today is a bit of a sadder video. For those unaware, a simple definition of gender dysphoria is emotional distress felt by a person when their gender identity doesn't match their assigned gender. It's been hitting me especially hard lately, and I'm really not sure why. Maybe it's the way I look or the way I speak. I'm not really sure, but whatever the case, I hope I stop feeling like this soon. That's all for today, my students. Min out.